When it comes to the online course creation, you'll be wondering like how long should your course be, or how long should your topic be when you come to the recording and editing of it. The statistics show that the concentration is only for 3 minutes. I mean, like for nowadays, which is sad, isn't it? But because we are living in an information age, everything is going like really fast. So people concentration, the best concentration is in 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, it will be just going decline. So I would suggest that when you come to your course creation, that you can keep your course length maximum like 9 minutes, or as possible like under 10 minutes as possible. In that way, it's gonna help you and also help your learner at the same time, because these days most of the time the people accessing most of the things are on the mobile now. So they could be out like traveling or driving or anything like that. So it's easier for them to access it. If it's like a small bite size, like easy to digest, they can just dip in and dip out without making them feel like it's such a big effort for them to get back to your course content. If it's like an hour's long or like 30 minutes long, all those kind of things. However, this is just like some kind of suggestions that I would suggest. And of course, if your course needs to be divided by a few part of it, so that it's easier for your learner to learn by sight and easy to digest the information, and also at the same time it will help for you as well, because when it comes to the recording of it, that you don't need to remember so many information of it that you might miss out some point that you want to add, or it will be such a huge effort for you like to go and record it from the whole part of it as well. So it's easier for you and also easier for your learner. Another thing of it is also good is that when it comes to your marketing, because you have like small bite size of your recording of it, so you can easily edit it and reuse it for your marketing purpose. So these are the information that you can use. So I hope that helped for you. So create it in an easy bite size, easy to digest for your learner, and then they will get the results quickly, and also that will motivate them to go through each lesson and finish it so that they get result quickly. And that also will fuel your momentum as well, because if you see the result in your students like really fast, that also will make you keep moving forward faster. So I hope that helped.